Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ihan, and today I will be presenting my discussions for Swinburne University of Technology. This discussion focuses on reducing food waste on campus, which is a key priority under Swinburne Sustainability 2025 plan. Using community-based social marketing, this discussion proposes strategies to reduce food waste by encouraging students to make more appropriate and mindful portion choice. Swinburne University has made sustainability one of its major goals, and food waste is one of the most pressing challenges on campus. Every day, large amounts of foods are discarded in dining places, often because students take portions that are larger than what they can consume. By addressing portion size and waste through behavioral insights, the university can significantly reduce its environmental impact. The purpose of this report is to apply CBSM to influence student behavior and reduce the level of food waste at Swinburne University. CBSM focuses on identifying barriers and motivators and then to design practical strategies such as social norms, prompts, feedback, and commitment techniques to encourage sustainable behavior. In this case, this focus is to help students to select the right portion size and to build long-term habits which supports in sustainability. So my children's target market is on the run students, who are the students that are busy, rushing between classes, juggling with assignments, or facing with time pressure. This group generates the largest portion of food waste because they tend to make quick, convenience-driven food choices, often selecting portions that are too large for grabbing meals without thinking about their ability to finish them. So there are mainly two external influencing factors, which is the reference groups and cultures. In reference groups, it can be defined as friends, classmates, and peers who plays a major role in shaping how students eat. Eating behavior is highly visible, and students can often imitate the habits of those around them, including the portion size and the waste behavior. If peers choose a bigger meals, students tend to follow. But in the opposite side, it's also true that the positive modeling can spread quickly. This means that social norms are a powerful tool for changing food waste behavior. So next, the external influence factors is culture. Culture also shapes students' food habits. Many students believe that bigger portions represent better value for money and convenience culture, which encourages the fast decisions, which increase waste. So because Swinburne has a diverse student populations, cultural attitudes towards waste in vary viewpoints. Some view food waste as disrespectful, while others prioritize quick meals over mindful consumption. So by reframing small portions as smart and practical, this can shift cultural expectations over time. So how these factors affect in consumer behavior? These external factors shape what students see as normal or acceptable. If wasting food appears normal, students continue this cycle, but when they see peers choosing smaller portions or talking about sustainability, it creates a new social norm. PBSM shows that when people witness sustainable behaviors in their environment, they are more likely to adopt it or follow it. This means that social influence is a key pathway for long-term change. My first recommendation is the Eat Smart Together campaign. The goal is to make portion smart eating socially desirable. This campaign will be student-led, collaborating with clubs, societies, and campus influencers. Activities include food waste-free Fridays, smart eating challenge, and positive storytelling on social media. By using social norms, peer modeling, and commitment strategy, this approach encourages students to choose smaller portions because their friends and communities are doing the same. Next, my second recommendation is the waste transparency wall. This will be digital displays placed in major dining locations which shows the real-time data such as the daily food waste, CO2 emissions, and the number of meals wasted. Visibility is one of the strongest drivers in CBSM. When waste becomes visible, students recognize the problem and it triggers it as an emotional response. Leaderboards and green points also act as recognition and positive reinforcement, which motivates students and outlets to reduce their waste. In summary, food waste is a significant issue at Swinburne University, and behavioral approaches are essential to address it. Through CBSM strategies and understanding the influence of social norms and culture, it is essential to create a more mindful and responsible food cultures on campus. So this is the reference, and that's all. Thank you.